everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I'm really glad that you are here. This week, we're going to be learning how to sign Reason I Sing by Phil Wickham. If you haven't figured it out yet, I'm a pretty big Phil Wickham fan. So I love signing Phil Wickham songs, and I'm excited to sign this song with you. So there is two different versions that you can purchase. There is their regular version and their acoustic version, and I chose the acoustic version because it just spoke to my heart. So there's only one difference in the lyrics, and I'll explain that to you, but we'll get started right away after the instructions that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video, in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so today we're gonna learn the verses. Tomorrow we will learn the chorus and the bridge. Then we'll do a walkthrough, and then we'll sign with the music. Okay, sorry, itchy nose, itchy nose. Here we go. Okay, so it starts with, you pulled me from darkness. So the acoustic version says you pulled me from darkness, but if you pull up any of the regular lyrics on the song, it actually says brought me from darkness. So pulled, okay, so you, pointing to God in heaven, you pulled, like, tug of war, pull, okay? You pulled me from darkness. So really in this instance, it's really saying that we are pulling and there's a movement. So I don't think you need the sign from, but if you want it, the X hand, pulling away from your non-dominant hand. So you pulled me from darkness. That's how I'm going to sign it. Okay, so hands over your face. It's dark. You pulled me from darkness and clothed me in garments of praise. Okay, so clothes or get dressed is all the same sign. You have your fingers spread. And you know what? I'm going to give you a great way to remember it that you're never going to forget it. You're brushing the cups of your bra, okay, with your thumb. Okay, like that. Okay. That's clothes, okay? Clothes or to get dressed, okay? So you clothed me in garments of praise. So you clothed me in praise, okay? Because we're not going to do clothe me in garments of praise, right? He just covered us in praise. That's another option you can do. You covered me in praise as well if you wanted, okay? You clothed me in garments of praise. Jesus forever. Jesus, nail-pierced hands. Jesus, forever. So you have your index finger up. Okay, you go around. Then you switch to a Y hand and you push it out. Okay, always Jesus, forever. And then my song will be you. My song. Okay, so you're showing a melody over your non-dominant forearm. Okay, my song will be you, pointing to God in heaven. Let's try that from the top. Okay, so you pulled me from darkness, clothed me in garments of praise. Jesus forever, my song will be you. Here we go. We're going to keep going. I'm living in freedom. Making L's going down to your stomach and up to your hips. Or sorry, up to your ribs. Okay. Living in freedom. So for freedom, we're going to make F's. Cross your arms and bring them out. Okay. I'm living free because of Jesus. Okay. Living in freedom. You've taken my burdens away. You taken. Okay. So normally when it's taking ourselves, you kind of pull like this. But we don't want to show this coming towards us, right? This is something that God has taken from us. So we're going to do a directional sign then, that God has taken my burdens away. So to endure or something is right here, and then kind of bend it twice, and you want your facial expression to show that you're suffering, okay? Okay, some people also might sign here like responsibility, 2 hands on their shoulder. But my suffering, you've taken my burdens away. Push them to the side. They're gone. Thank you, Jesus. You've taken my burdens away. And then again, Jesus forever. My song will be you. And then only for you. So once again, it's that beginning of forever, only, okay? Only for you. So for is you're flicking that index finger out, you. Okay, so only for you or just only you. Either works. Who's ready to take it from the top? Okay, so you pulled me from darkness, clothed me with garments of praise. Jesus forever, my song will be you. I'm living in freedom. You've taken my burdens away. Jesus forever, my song will be you. Only for you. One more time? We could do it one more time, right? I know this is a lot and the chorus is a lot, but also don't worry, the second or the next verse section is only half as long and the bridge is nice and easy in this song too. And it is a slower song. Okay, so let's try that from the top. You pulled me from darkness, clothed me with garments of praise. Jesus forever, my song will be you. I'm living in freedom. You have taken my burdens away. Jesus forever, my song will be you, only for you. Okay? And now moving on to, I don't know, some people might consider that was verse 1 and verse 2 back to back. So I'm just going to say, taking you to the next verse section, I will not be silent. So I not, okay, not. So it's kind of like a thumbs up from your chin here. Nope, not happening. So I am not silent, okay? So it's almost like, okay? So I will not be silent. And then I testify of your grace. I testify. So this is I, okay? So your I story. I story. I'll testify your, okay, this belongs to God. And then grace, we're going to make a G. We're going to flick it in and it's going to just shower down on us. Okay, grace. Grace. So I will not be silent. I'll testify of your grace. And then luckily it's the same ending. Jesus forever. My song will be you, only for you. Thank you. This section was easier. Okay, let's do the second section from the top. So I will not be silent. I'll testify of your grace. Jesus forever. My song will be you, only for you. One more time, and then we'll do it all together. Okay, so I will not be silent. I'll testify of your grace. Jesus forever. My song will be you, only for you. Okay, let's try it from the top. So you pulled me from darkness. You clothed me in garments of praise. Jesus forever. My song will be you. Now the next part. I'm living in freedom. You've taken my burdens away. Jesus forever. My song will be you, only for you. Okay, and then we have the chorus. And after the chorus, it's that next verse section. I will not be silent. I'll testify of your grace. Jesus forever. My song will be you, only for you. And that's everything you need for all the verses of Reason I Sing by Phil Wickham. So practice this as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we sign the chorus and the bridge. Bye. I hope above all that wherever you are healthy and that you are well, and that you always remember that God cares far more about the condition of your heart and the position of your hands. I hope you have a great day. Bye.